Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to create Gmail. I'll cover this topic, and next is how to log in Gmail, and third is how to send email, and fourth is how to attach file and folder into the mail. Okay, email to the email into the email. So let's start the video. First, you have to go the browser, web browser. So I'm using the web browser Google Chrome. So this is my web browser, so I'll open the browser. Now you can see the browser. So at the right side of the component of this browser, you will see Gmail. Click here, Gmail. In Gmail, now there is the option, one is in Hindi, काम के लिए sign in करे अथवा खाता बनवाए. So if I convert it into this language, into the English, so wait a minute, just you can change the language to of the browsers. So setting, you may go the setting, okay, then change okay, language. Okay, right now it is in Hindi, so here I'll change in English. Okay, United States, move top. Okay, so let's see. Okay, now refresh. I'll do refresh. Still it is in same condition. So let's see the language. Okay, first I'll type the google.com. Wait a minute, my internet is a bit slow, so I'll go in Google. Okay, google.com. Yeah, Google. Okay, United States. The use language. Okay, click here. Display on Google Chrome this language. So I forgot to select this option, so I'll just right now I'm going to select. Now okay, now you will see the Gmail. Okay, I'll type the Gmail over here, so I'll go email. Okay, now it's converted into the English language. So first you have to go in sign in. Okay, sign in, and there is the option. If you have already email, then you can type over here your email or phone numbers. If you don't have, if you want to create the new email, just click on create account, and there is the option for my personal use, for my child, for my work or my business. So I'm go with this option, first option, for my personal use. So you have to write the name over here. Suppose I'm going to write the name, Ankita. Okay, Ankita Roy. Then go next, select the date of birth according to your date of birth. Suppose I'm choosing randomly, it's 1st January 2001, and gender is male. Okay, female. Now click on next and choose the username. Okay, you can use the latest number or period. Suppose I'm going to choose ANKITA, Ankita Roy. Next, click on next. See, here is that username is already taken. Try another one. So I'm trying to Ankita 1124. Okay, so you have to make unique username. So 1124 is my username. Then write over here the password. So I'm going to write more than 6 character. Okay, okay, I'm going to type. You can see over here, if you getting a little bit confused, then you have to write the same password over as well over here. The same password you have to retype in downside row. So I'm going to write the same password. Okay, and next, click on next. Okay, you can choose recovery address, but I'm not going to choose. It is to recover your password in case if you lost your password or you forget your email, so you can use the your recovery email. So I'm not going to choose. I'll go with the skip option. Then they are asking the mobile number, so I'm writing the mobile number, my mobile number. So my I'm going to write down over here my mobile number, 897254198. So click on next. So not now, verify, no, not now, or just click on send, then you'll get the OTP. Okay, here is your OTP. You have to write down the OTP, which will come in your message box. So I'm going to open the message box. Now I got my OTP. My OTP is 975537. This is my OTP. So I'm going to click on verify. Yes, I'm in. So next, Ankit Roy, and you have to agree the terms and condition. Okay, from the Google. So I'm going to click on agree button. Now my Gmail is open. So a message sent from the Google. So hi Ankit. So now you can check your email is Ankita Roy. This is my email. So you can write down your password. Okay, so yes, I'm going to copy my email address. Copy. So I'll write down in notepad. Okay, this is my email address, and you can write your password too. So okay, now it's open my Gmail address. Okay, I'm going to send email to my friends. So for this you have to go in compose, and you have to write down over here the email address whom you are going to send email. Suppose for examples, I'm going to write my friend email address. Suppose James. Okay, James is my friend, suppose, and I have to copy the Gmail address. Okay, make James. So copy the address. So you have to write over here, paste. So make James, and you can make carbon copy too. If you want to send the same message to another person, you have to choose the CC option, and BCC option also is there. So you have to write down the subject. Just my subject is welcome. Okay, welcome is my subject. So I'm going to write dear James, welcome to my house. So I'm going to write this much message. Okay, so you can format this text with the option over here, bold, italic, underline. If you want to color this text, you can choose the color also. So there is the alignment and bullets. Okay, and this is your email address, and you can send now you can send the email address. Okay, I'll just click on send email address. Okay. Oh, this is how to send email, how to make email address and send the Gmail. And another topic is how to send email, how to log in Gmail, how to attach file and folder into the Gmail. So I'm going to teach you how to attach file and folder to the Gmail address. So again, I'm going to compose the email address and I'll write down the email address. The subject is photo. Now write down over here this message, what message you want to convey to your friends. Suppose, hi, I'm sending, I'm sending photo. Okay, I'll write down this much message. And for attachment the photo, you have to go to this option, attach files. Just click on attach file and attach the file. Suppose for example, I'm attaching this noodle. Just open it. Now it will attach, then click on send. Okay, so you can view your message. Okay, whatever you sent, just you sent recently this message, and in send option you have recently sent 2 messages. Okay, just you can check the message you got or not. So I'll go on James email. So you can see Ankit Roy. This is my message and this is my message, welcome to my house, and this is my attachment. You can download into your PC for to see offline. Okay, the download option is there. So it was the how to create Gmail, how to send message, and how to attach the file. Now we'll learn how to log in into the email. So for this, just click. Okay, I'm going to sign out from this email. Just click on sign out. So it's getting sign out. Just wait a minute. Okay, now this is your email address. If you want to log in some new PC, just write down over here Gmail. Okay, and click on Gmail, and you can see the option. It's already login, so I'm going to choose the next option, use another account. So if you have a fresh email, just write down your email address. Recently I copied over here email address Ankit Roy @ just I'll copy and just paste email address, then click on next. Just write down the password. Okay, then next. Okay, then click on next. Wait a minute. Okay, now you get into the email dashboard. So you can compose your email or you can send the email to your friend. Okay guys, this it was how to create Gmail, how to send email, how to log in email, and how to attach the file. I hope so you understood all the steps. Thanks for watching. Okay, goodbye.